sometimes happens that the insert, this brass insert, exit from the wood. Okay, and you have this condition, this. Okay. Okay, if you have this problem, you will receive a new knob. Okay, and you have to install a new knob. Okay, before to install it, you have to remove this part. Pay attention to not forget. Okay, this. You have to remove this. You have to remove this, and you have to unscrew this. You will receive a new knob with a new insert inside. You have to screw the knob, insert the spacer, and lock again this part. I use this tech. Okay, now I can try if it works. Okay, works, and I can install the tech. Okay, that's it.